Hey there, beautiful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving into the world of hairstyling with a product review of the Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter. If you're looking to achieve stunning curls and waves without damaging your hair, stick around because this review is for you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews and beauty tips. The Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter is a game changer in the world of hairstyling. This set comes with a variety of rollers, each infused with ionic conditioning technology to reduce frizz and leave your hair looking shiny and smooth. Whether you're getting ready for a special event or just want to treat yourself to a new look, these rollers promise to deliver. Let's talk about the features and specifications that make the Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter stand out. The set includes 20 velvet rollers in 3 different sizes, allowing you to customize your hairstyle according to your preferences. The rollers heat up quickly and are designed to provide even heat distribution, ensuring that your curls are consistent and long-lasting. The Ionic conditioning technology is a real game changer. It not only reduces frizz and static, but also helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and leaving your hair looking healthier and more vibrant. The set also includes cool touch end grips for safe and easy handling. Using the Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter is a breeze. First, plug in the base unit and allow the rollers to heat up. Once they're ready, wrap sections of your hair around the rollers and secure them in place using the included clips. The cool touch end grips make handling the rollers safe and comfortable. Leave the rollers in for the recommended amount of time and then gently remove them. You'll be left with gorgeous curls or waves that are bound to turn heads. Let's weigh the pros and cons of the Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter. On the plus side, the Ionic technology works wonders for reducing frizz and improving the overall look and feel of your hair. The variety of roller sizes ensures versatility in styling, and the quick heating time is a definite plus when you're in a hurry. However, it's worth noting that some users might find the larger rollers a bit challenging to use on shorter hair. Also, while the rollers are comfortable to handle, they do get quite warm, so be cautious during the styling process. So, what's the final verdict on the Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter? If you're someone who loves experimenting with different hairstyles and wants to achieve salon-worthy curls at home, this product is definitely worth considering. The combination of ionic conditioning and various roller sizes makes for a versatile and effective styling tool. That wraps up our review of the Remington Ionic Conditioning Hair Setter. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more beauty and styling content, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next videos. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it proudly. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.